Holiday glam time to shine. The holidays are here. It's the most wonderful time of the year. The air is filled with joy, laughter, and the twinkling of lights. Everywhere you look, there's a sense of magic and wonder. It's a time to come together, to celebrate, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. We get to celebrate with loved ones. We also get to dress up. Dressing up for the holidays is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good. It's about expressing your joy and excitement for the season. Whether it's a sparkly dress, a sharp suit, or a cozy sweater, what you wear can set the tone for your holiday celebrations. Makeup is the perfect way to add a touch of magic to your holiday look. It's like the icing on the cake, the final touch that brings everything together. With the right makeup, you can highlight your best features, add a bit of sparkle, and truly shine. From bold lip colors to shimmering eyeshadows, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're going to a festive party or a cozy family gathering, makeup can help you feel confident and beautiful. It's not just about impressing others. It's about feeling great in your own skin. When you look good, you feel good. And that confidence can make your holiday experience even more enjoyable. A little sparkle and shine can make you feel amazing. Glittery eyeshadows, highlighters, and lip glosses can add that extra bit of magic to your look. Don't be afraid to go all out and embrace the festive spirit. After all, the holidays are the perfect time to experiment with bold and fun makeup looks. Remember, makeup is about expressing yourself and having fun. It's a form of art, a way to showcase your personality and creativity. Whether you prefer a natural look or something more dramatic, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and happy with your choices. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what makes you feel your best. Try out different colors, techniques, and styles until you find the perfect look for you. The holidays are a time for joy and celebration, so let your makeup reflect that. Have fun with it and enjoy the process. Let's get started on creating a stunning holiday makeup look that will turn heads. With a little creativity and the right products, you can achieve a look that's both festive and fabulous. So grab your makeup brushes, your favorite products, and let's make this holiday season one to remember. Picture perfect base. Your makeup's foundation. The foundation of your makeup routine is crucial for achieving that flawless, picture-perfect look. It all starts with the right base. A flawless makeup look starts with a smooth and even base. This is the canvas upon which all your other makeup will be applied, so it's important to get it right. Begin by applying a primer to create a perfect canvas for your foundation. Primer not only helps your makeup last longer, but also ensures that it goes on smoothly and evenly. Primer helps to fill in pores and fine lines. This step is essential for achieving a flawless finish, as it smooths out the texture of your skin. This makes your makeup last longer. A good primer can keep your foundation looking fresh and vibrant throughout the day, reducing the need for touch-ups. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. The right shade will blend seamlessly with your natural complexion, avoiding any harsh lines or mismatched tones. Apply it evenly all over your face using a brush or sponge. The tool you choose can affect the finish, so pick one that works best for your skin type and the look you're going for. Blend it well into your skin, ensuring there are no harsh lines. Blending is key to achieving a natural look, so take your time with this step. Remember to blend down your neck for a seamless finish. This ensures that your makeup looks natural and cohesive, without any noticeable differences between your face and neck. Let it glow, highlighting for the holidays. Now let's add some radiance. Highlighter is your secret weapon for a holiday glow. Apply a liquid or cream highlighter to the high points of your face. Think cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. These are the areas where light naturally hits. Highlighter accentuates these areas. This gives you a luminous and youthful appearance. Blend it out gently for a seamless glow. Sparkle and shine eyeshadow that pops. Time to make your eyes sparkle. Start with a neutral eyeshadow base all over your eyelid. This will help the glitter eyeshadow to adhere better and last longer. Then, choose a glittery eyeshadow in a festive shade like gold, silver, or champagne. Apply it to your eyelid, focusing on the center. You can also add a touch of the glitter to your inner corner to brighten up your eyes. Section 5. Winged liner and lush lashes. The ultimate eye combo. Winged eyeliner adds instant glamour to any holiday look. Use a black liquid eyeliner to create a sharp and defined wing. Start from the outer corner of your eye and extend the line slightly upwards. For extra drama, apply false eyelashes. Choose a pair that complements your eye shape and adds volume and length. Finally, finish with a few coats of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Section 6. Bold lips. The holiday statement. A bold lip color is the perfect finishing touch for your holiday makeup look. Red is a classic choice for the holidays. It's festive, sophisticated, and suits everyone. Choose a shade of red that complements your skin tone. Apply it carefully using a lip brush for precision. Blot with a tissue and reapply for longer-lasting color. Section 7. Your holiday look, uniquely you. Congratulations! You've created a stunning holiday makeup look. Remember, makeup is personal. Feel free to adjust these steps to suit your style and preferences. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Let your inner beauty shine through. Section 8. Share the holiday cheer, show off your style. I'd love to see your holiday makeup creations. Share your looks on social media and tag me so I can see your masterpieces. Let's inspire each other and spread some holiday cheer. Section 9. Product recommendations. My holiday favorites. The holiday season is a magical time of year, filled with joy, laughter, and of course, festive gatherings. Whether you're attending a holiday party, hosting a family dinner, or simply enjoying the season, having the right makeup products can make all the difference. In this section, I'll be sharing some of my absolute favorite products that help me achieve a dazzling holiday makeup look. These products are not only high quality, but also perfect for creating that festive glow we all love. Here are a few of my favorite products for creating a dazzling holiday makeup look. First up, let's talk about foundation. A good foundation is the base of any great makeup look. And during the holidays, I prefer something that offers buildable coverage and a natural finish. Foundation, name of foundation brand and shade. This foundation provides buildable coverage and a natural finish. It's perfect for evening out your skin tone and creating a flawless canvas for the rest of your makeup. Plus, it feels lightweight on the skin, which is essential for those long holiday events. Highlighter, name of highlighter brand and shade. This highlighter gives a beautiful, lit-from-within glow. I love applying it to the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. It adds just the right amount of shimmer without being too overpowering, making it ideal for both day and night events. Eyeshadow, name of eyeshadow brand and shade. This eyeshadow is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle and shine. The palette includes a variety of shades, from subtle neutrals to bold, festive colors. You can mix and match to create a look that's uniquely yours. I especially love using the shimmery shades for a bit of extra holiday magic. Eyeliner, name of eyeliner brand. This eyeliner creates precise lines and lasts all day. Whether you prefer a classic wing or something more dramatic, this eyeliner has got you covered. It's smudge-proof and stays put, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the night. Lipstick, name of lipstick brand and shade. This lipstick is a classic red that is perfect for the holidays. A bold red lip is always a showstopper, and this particular shade is both vibrant and long-lasting. It's the perfect finishing touch to any holiday makeup look. adding a pop of color that's both festive and timeless. Don't forget to have fun and experiment. The holidays are a time to celebrate and enjoy, so don't be afraid to try new looks and step out of your comfort zone. Whether you're going for a classic look or something more adventurous, the most important thing is to feel confident and have fun. Happy holidays!